Good morning, all of you. Myself, Vishwan from ICT K3 at Marwari University. Today's topic is data flow in communication system. And here is the contents of data flow in a communication system. Here is a block diagram, and the next one is the data flow and the communication system model. In the communication system model, there are the source, encoder, communication channel, and the decoder, destination. And here is the types of data flow. And importance of data flow is the and last one is a conclusion. And is a black diagram of data flow in a communication system. It is a information source that source to the input encoder, and it transmit to the communication channel, and it receives at the and its decoder, and it receives at a receiver to the destination. And and here is a data flow. Data flow is a movement of data from sender to the receives. Good morning, all of you. Myself, Vishwan from ICT, studied at Marwari University. Here is the topic data flow in a communication system. And here is the contents of this topic. The first one is a block diagram, and next data flow, and next communication system model. In the communication system model, there are source, encoder, communication channel, decoder, and destination. And here types of data flow and importance of data flow. And the final one is the conclusion. And here is a block diagram of data flow in a communication system. Here is a transmitter is nothing but source, and source to encoder. Through the encoder, we send the data to the communication channel with the wide or wireless to the decoder, and here is the final is the receiver to the destination. And next one is a data flow. Data flow defines how information moves from the sender to the receiver in a communication system. Understanding data flow is essential for designing, analyzing, and improving communication system. And here is a communication system model. There are the few types of source, encoder, channel, decoder, and destination. First one, source. Source is a nothing that generates information with the help of voice, text, image, and video, and the data. Examples: human voice or computer data. And next to the encoder, converts physical signal into electrical signal, and that converts data into transmittable signals, and improves efficiency and reliability. Example is nothing but is a modulator. And here is the communication channel. Is a medium through which a signal travels, wide or wireless, affected by noise and interference. Example: optical fiber, copper wire, and free space. All is nothing but wireless. And here is a decoder. The decoder converts received signal back to the original data, removes noise and distortion. And here is the final one, destination. Destination is the final user or device that receives the information. Examples: listener or computer or display or storage device. And next one is the topics of types of data flow. There are the few types of data flow. Here is a simplex one-way communication. Data flow in one direction. Receiver can't send feedback. Example: radio broadcasting, television transmitting, and a keyboard to computer. Next one is a off duplex. It is a two-way communication, not in simultaneous. Two-way communication, but not in a same time. Data flow in the both directions. Only one side transmit at a time. Examples as like walkie-talkie and push-to-talk communication. And here is a key point: communication is a bidirectional but alternating. And here is a third one is a full duplex. It is a two-way communication. It transmits simultaneous. Two-way communication at the same time. Data flow simultaneous in both directions, more efficient communication. Examples: mobile phones, calls, video conferencing, and internet communication. And next one is importance of data flow. Data flow types describe the direction and nature of information transmitted between communication devices. And data flow defines how information moves from the sender to the receiver and in the communication system. Understanding data flow is essential for designing, analyzing, and improving communication systems. And here is a final conclusion. Data flow is a fundamental concept in a communication system that describes how information moves between devices by defining the direction, timing, and manner of data transfer. Whether simplex, half duplex, or full duplex, data flow ensures efficient, reliable, and error-free communication. Proper understanding of a data flow helps in system designing, performance optimization, flow control, and troubleshooting, making it essential for modern digital and wireless communication networks. And thank you.